All right, let's dive in. Today, we're taking a look at a really interesting new tool that's popping up in the creative world, Lanta AI. It's being pitched as a kind of creative co-pilot for making videos, so, we've got to see what it's all about. So let me just start by asking you something. Have you ever had this amazing idea for a video in your head, but then you just get completely stuck on the technical stuff, the editing, the animation, all of it? Well, that's the exact problem that a tool like this is trying to solve.
So first things first, let's get on the same page. What even is Lanta AI?
At its heart, Lanta AI is trying to be a one-stop shop. The whole idea is simple. You bring the creative spark, maybe it's an old video, a photo, or literally just a few words of text, and the platform's job is to turn that into a polished, high-quality, AI-generated video.
And to do that, they've packed in a whole suite of different tools that pretty much cover the whole creative pipeline. We're going to look at how you can make videos from scratch, completely transform your existing footage, and even play around with some pretty wild digital effects, like AI makeup. Yeah, really.
Okay, so let's start with probably the most exciting part for a lot of people, creating something brand new, from nothing. How does Lanta AI take an idea in your head and actually turn it into a video?
Well, you've got two main paths you can take here. You can start with just words using their text-to-video generator, or you can give the AI a starting point with a picture, and it'll bring that static image to life. So one way is pure imagination, and the other is all about animating something that already exists.
Now, under the hood, this isn't just one single AI engine doing all the work. It actually gives you a choice. For instance, you've got the HanYuan model, which is apparently built for creating really high-def, complex videos with multiple scenes. But then you have HanYuan, which is all about speed and quality. So you can kind of pick the right tool for whatever job you're trying to do.
But look, creating from scratch is only half the story. What if you've already got a ton of videos and photos just sitting on your phone or your hard drive? Well, that's where Lanta AI's transformation tools are supposed to shine.
This is their video-to-video feature, and the concept here is just so cool. You can take a regular video you shot, upload it, and then basically paint a completely new artistic style over it. You can transform the entire look and feel of your footage.
And the promises they're making here are exactly what you'd want to hear. It's not just about having a bunch of different styles to choose from, it's about getting a high-quality result that doesn't look cheap or glitchy. And even most important, it claims to hold on to the original details and motion so that the new style still feels authentic to your original shot.
And that same idea, that same transformative power, applies to your still photos too. You can take a simple picture and give it a totally new artistic identity, which brings us to one of the platform's biggest, flashiest features.
Okay, this is a huge selling point. They have a tool specifically to convert your images into the iconic Ghibli style. I mean, for anyone who loves that classic, beautiful anime aesthetic, this is a massive draw. And of course, it supports a bunch of other art styles too, all promising that high-fidelity conversion.
So, you've either made a new video or you've restyled an old one. What's next? Well, now it's time to polish it up. And for that, Lanta AI has a whole set of AI-powered effects and editing tools to help you add those all-important finishing touches.
And this is where things get really different. Instead of a complicated timeline with tracks and keyframes, Lanta AI has a prompt-driven editor. You literally just type what you want to do. Things like make this scene black and white, or add a slow zoom effect, and the AI just does it. This could be a total game changer because it basically removes the huge learning curve of traditional editing software.
Okay, beyond that main editor, there are some other powerful tools in here. Let's do a quick fire round. First up, lip sync. You can take a static photo of a face, feed it an audio file, and it will animate the mouth to create a realistic talking avatar. Just think of the possibilities for social media or presentations. Then you've got AI makeup. This is wild. It lets you digitally apply or change the makeup on people in your video. This could save a massive amount of time in post-production, right? No need for a reshoot or complicated visual effects.
It also has a character animation feature. This is designed to take your static drawings, your 2D characters, and just bring them to life with automatic movement. This could open up a whole new world for indie animators.
And finally, just like the video editor, there's a text-based editor for still images. You can remove objects from a photo, change the background, tweak the colors, all just by typing what you want. It's really a full toolkit for those final, crucial details. So you see how it all comes back to their central promise, right? Unleash your creativity.
The whole point of a platform like this, whether you're starting from text, an image, or video you already have, is to give you a versatile set of tools that just gets the technical stuff out of your way so you can focus on the idea.
And you know, all this leads to a much, much bigger question, doesn't it? As AI gets better and better at handling the technical side of things, the very definition of what a creator is, it's changing. It really makes you wonder, what does it mean to be creative when your main tool is just your words? Maybe the most important skill going forward isn't mastering the software, but mastering the art of the idea itself. Something to think about. Thanks for tuning in.